Hey, are you interested in learning? Check out our videos. Want more knowledge content? Make sure you've subscribed to our channel.
All right, now that we've covered how to build AI agents and integrate them with automation platforms, it's time to talk about monitoring and managing multiple AI agents in production. Because having multiple agents working together is powerful, but it also introduces complexity, and understanding how to manage them conceptually is key for any real-world application. First, think about visibility. When multiple agents are running, it's essential to know what each agent is doing at any moment. Even conceptually, we can imagine a dashboard where actions, progress, and outcomes are tracked. This visibility helps you quickly identify issues and understand the system's overall performance. Next is coordination. Multiple agents may need to work on related tasks or share information. Without coordination, they could duplicate work or miss important steps. So conceptually, we plan how agents communicate with each other, sharing results, updates, and progress. It's like a team meeting in real life, where everyone knows who's doing what. Another important aspect is error handling. In production, things rarely go perfectly. An agent might encounter unexpected data, a system might fail, or an integration could break. Conceptually, each agent should have a way to handle errors, either by retrying, escalating, or notifying a human. This ensures the system remains resilient and continues functioning even when problems occur. Prioritization is also key. Not every task is equally urgent, and when multiple agents are involved, some tasks may need to take precedence. Designing a system where agents understand priorities ensures critical work gets done first, while lower priority tasks are handled appropriately. Now let's talk about performance optimization. Even in concept, it's important to monitor how efficiently agents are performing. Are they completing tasks quickly? Are they using resources effectively? Feedback loops can be introduced where agents learn from past actions, adjust strategies, and improve over time. This continuous improvement is what separates a simple multi-agent setup from a high-performing autonomous system. Another aspect is scalability. As your business or project grows, the number of agents might increase. Conceptually, you want a system where new agents can be added, assigned tasks, and integrated without breaking existing workflows. This requires thinking about modular design and flexible coordination from the start. Finally, consider auditability and accountability. Even if agents are acting autonomously, it's essential to know what actions were taken, who or what triggered them, and what the results were. This is particularly important in business, finance, healthcare, or other critical applications. Conceptually, logging, reporting, and traceability are designed into the system, so every action can be reviewed if needed. So, in short, managing multiple AI agents in production is about ensuring visibility, coordination, error handling, prioritization, performance optimization, scalability, and accountability. Even at a conceptual level, planning these elements allows you to visualize how a multi-agent system can operate reliably, efficiently, and intelligently in real-world scenarios. By approaching management in this way, you are not just running agents, you're recreating an autonomous ecosystem where intelligent agents collaborate, adapt, and continuously improve while humans oversee and guide the process. That's it for today's session on monitoring and managing multiple AI agents in production. If this helped you understand the conceptual framework for multi-agent management, hit like, share, and subscribe. And drop a comment. Should I cover creating autonomous AI workflows for business next, or advanced agent reasoning and decision-making?
How did you feel? Is it helpful? Appreciate our efforts in the comment section below. Hit like button, share with your friends about us, subscribe our channel to get further updates. Stay connected with us on social networking sites. For more free tutorials, visit our website www.learnitguide.net.